start a monitoring session, you go to the My Classes page and then click Start Monitoring. Here you should be able to see all student device screens that are currently being used. As you can see, I have my one test student screen up. That means the computer is open, on, and being used. You can see as the students move around and do different things on their screens. It will update you as they move through, so you can see if students are doing what they're supposed to be doing or accessing things that they are not supposed to be accessing. One of the features that you can utilize during a monitoring session is the modify blocking. So you're going to go up here and click modify blocking. Here is where you can choose different blocking plans that you would like to enforce during your monitoring session. You come over to plan, hit the drop down menu, and then select the plan type you would like to enforce, and then click enforce. Since I'm not going to enforce any blocking plans during this monitoring session, I'm just going to click cancel. Some other tools you have to utilize are on the toolbar to your right. You have a real-time activity tracker. This will list the allow websites and apps students are using and how many students are on those websites or applications. The little check mark icon is where you can click to check for student understanding. You click on request to check for student understanding, and students check either I get it, I'm not sure, or I don't get it yet. The student's understanding will appear on your screen and it will look like this. When you click on the question mark icon, this is the questions tab where you can ask a question. So you click ask question. You can choose from questions you've already created or create a new question. I'm going to send a question that we've already created. So I'm going to click send. As you can see here, the question was sent successfully. It will now pop up on the right corner of the student's screen, and the students will then have to click their answer and then click submit answer. When a student submits their answer, you will see how many students picked each answer. As you can see, I had one student who clicked on answer B, and that was the correct answer. The little bell icon allows you to send messages to students' computers. So you click send a message. The text right here has a little drop down arrow. You can send them attention, get back to work, good job, keep up the great work, or type in your own custom message. I'm going to click on attention. You can decide if you're going to lock the student device or not. If you lock the student device, that means they will not be able to use their device. And if I decide to lock it, I have to decide how long I'm going to lock it for. So if I lock it for 10 seconds, students won't be able to use their laptop for 10 seconds, and so on. I'm not going to lock the device. I'm going to select to send it to one student, and then I'm going to click send. It appears in the top right corner of the student's screen, and it tells them the message that your teacher says, attention. Students then have to respond and click the got it to acknowledge that their teacher has sent them a message. To end a monitoring session, you go up to the top right-hand corner of your screen and press End Monitoring Session. This will bring you directly to the class history tab where you could review the student's activity during that session.